Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2022 IPSY GLAM BAG X unboxing. I'm very excited about this because this only comes every quarter and it's an exciting upgrade. It is the most expensive subscription that IPSY offers and you get a lot of products in the IPSY GLAM BAG X. And so I'm very excited to jump into the unboxing of this, but before I do, I want to just give you a little background on my channel here on YouTube because I unbox all of the IPSY and BoxyCharm subscription boxes every month. I love beauty subscription boxes and subscription boxes in general, but I also have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in both IPSY and BoxyCharm. So that's why I'm not swatching them or trying them out in this video. But if you're extra interested in me reviewing any of these products, just let me know in the comments down below so that I can get to those ones quickly. But so let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So the concept of GLAM BAG X is that there's a celebrity curator with every box, every quarter. And so this box was in collaboration with Alicia Keys. And you get these kind of newspaper style product information booklets that has information on all of the possible products that you could have gotten in the IPSY GLAM BAG X, and then like interviews with Alicia Keys and some beauty tips. So this is pretty cool. But wow, it looks like there's a lot of products in here, so I'm gonna go right ahead and jump into it. Oh, speaking of Alicia Keys, the first product I pull out is Keys Soul Care. Not skincare, soul care. This is Skin Transformation Cream. Okay, well, I have not tried out any of the products from Keys Soul Care, and I am excited to try out this brand. I definitely prefer to get makeup rather than skincare, and like a cream in terms of skincare is a product that I have just received so much of that I'm not super interested in getting more face creams, but I am interested in trying out this brand. So I'm going to look up the retail value on these products because I love to know. And so the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream retails for $32. Okay, it's not an overly luxurious price point of a skincare line, which I appreciate. Next up, I've got Tinted? Live Tinted, maybe is that the brand? Hue Stick Eye Cheek Lip in the shade Perk. Well, I'm also not familiar with this brand, and I love getting to try out new makeup brands through my beauty subscriptions. And ooh, pretty packaging. It's kind of like a cream stick. I'm intrigued by this. Okay, so this brand is called Live Tinted. The Hue Stick Multi-Stick in Perk retails for $24. All right, next up, ooh, this is another brand that I don't know. Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. Ooh, two lip and cheek products in a row. I've just got to get a little sneak peek at what this palette looks like. Ooh, I like this clear packaging, big pan sizes, pretty colors. Okay, there's like hairs on my product. It seemed sealed. It doesn't seem like it's been used, but there's like a black fuzzy hair on this product here. Okay. Well, that's not a good sign because you know that whole Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics scandal. There's, yeah, a lot of like fuzzies on this. Oh well, I'll still try it out, but but so the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette in Do It Flirty retails for $32. Next, I've got this lip balm, organic lip balm in Peach Blossom from the brand Lasting Smiles. So I'm wondering if this is part of my glam bag or if I redeemed IPSY points for it. Yeah, this is actually a product that I redeemed my points to get, but I love trying out lip balms, another brand that I'm not familiar with, so I'm excited to see how this is. Next up, from the brand One Size, Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder in the shade Fair 1. I love trying out foundations, and I'm excited to get to try out more products from the brand One Size. Oh, yeah, this looks very light. This might be too light for me. It's for very fair, neutral, rosy undertones. But we'll see. Pretty packaging. The One Size Turn Up the Base Versatile Powder retails for $33. Oh, this is a little bit open. It's from the brand Four Sigmatic Everyday Magic Superfood Face Mask with Reishi dietary supplement. What? Mix 1 packet with a half a teaspoon of water and apply to face. Rinse off after 10 minutes. So face masks is definitely a type of product that I have made very clear to IPSY that I don't want to receive. These seem a little cool and different, but I honestly rarely use face masks these days. So I'm not too excited to get this. I feel like I'm not going to be using it all that soon or often. The brand Four Sigmatic is kind of cool to see in IPSY, but I kind of would rather not a face mask. Okay, that's weird. The Four Sigmatic is not on my IPSY app as part of my glam bag, so hopefully there's nothing missing, but I would not redeem my IPSY points to get that. So I am confused. All right, next I've got, this looks like a pretty palette maybe? Oh, this is from the brand Lawless, the Baby One talc-free eyeshadow palette. Ooh, yay, I love getting eyeshadow palettes. They are just so fun to try out. This is pretty packaging. Ooh, and a pretty palette. 6 matte shades, some shimmers, pretty purpley mauve tones. This looks very fun and pretty to play around with. And so the Lawless, the Baby One eyeshadow palette is part of my IPSY Glam Bag X. It retails for $25. All right, so just a few more products left in here. Oh, this is June bracelet set. So kind of fun that you can get jewelry in the IPSY Glam Bag X. These are cute. Little gold chain bracelets, a 2-pack. Here is what those bracelets look like. And these bracelets are from Bauble Bar, and they're called June bracelet set that retail for $76. That seems very expensive for these. I'm not sure what material they're made out of, but they didn't necessarily feel extremely expensive. All right, next up, I've got a product from the brand LYS Beauty, and this is Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, I love a liquid highlighter, and I've had some great experiences with LYS Beauty. I love some of the products. I love the packaging. This looks very pretty. I'm excited to get this. The LYS Beauty Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter retails for $19. I feel like most of these products are not super crazy expensive, which is not bad, but I mean, I like to get very high retail value products in IPSY that I wouldn't normally purchase on my own. And so I've got one more product left in here, and this is from the brand Uma Beauty Baby Hair Precision Brow Pencil. I love trying out brow products. This is fun packaging. Ooh, I really like the packaging on this. Seems very slim, which I love for a brow pencil. It's got the spoolie on one end. This is exactly what I like for my brow products. I am very excited to try this one out. And so the Uma Brow Fro Baby Hair Ultra Slim Brow Defining Pencil retails for $22. All right, so it looks like all of my IPSY GLAM BAG X products were in the box, so I don't know where this Four Sigmatic face mask came from, but I'll do a quick recap and I'll separate out all the products that are actually part of my Glam Bag X, and I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the Bauble Bar bracelets, the Lawless eyeshadow palette, the One Size powder foundation, the LYS Beauty liquid highlighter, the tinted hue stick, the Danessa Myricks Beauty cheek and lip palette, the Keys skin cream, the Uma brow pencil. Oh, and those are all of my Glam Bag X products, and those all bring me to a total retail value of $263, which is fantastic value, but I feel like I'm usually at least breaking the $300 mark with the IPSY Glam Bag X. But most of these products I'm very excited about. So the other 2 points products, counting the Four Sigmatic mask as a point product, and then the Lasting Smiles lip balm. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them, how they worked for you. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.